Hello and welcome. I'm Vikram Thapa, and today I'm talking to a star who is doing really well as far as his films go. We also love the way he sings. In fact, एक minute, shameless product placement here, although they're not paying us. Every producer wants to book his face. Have you got that? Have you got that camera on it? Yes, we are talking about Ayushmann Khurrana, and of course with us is
Saket from Facebook.
Sort of. From Facebook, as if, if you haven't got it.
I have the longest name, but Saket just sort of he beats me hands down.
Okay, what are we doing here today? I know it's called Jam Sessions. It's not Jam Session, it's called Jam Sessions, which means there are more than one.
Yeah.
What is this about?
It's a very unique talent hunt, if you may call it, collaboration with Facebook, and we're curating this unique space where people from different genres, like singers, musicians, composers, lyricists, they can all send in their entries and we can form one, not really a band, but we can collaborate together and do one music video and it'll be a great grand jam session.
How many interviews have you done today?
5, 6.
This is the fifth answer.
Yeah.
This is the fifth same answer.
Different, no, not the same. It is a different.
थोड़ा सा different.
Just is the same.
थोड़ा हटके.
थोड़ा अलग है. आपके लिए थोड़ा अलग है.
Thank you so much. Acha, but basically, if you're more than a bathroom singer,
Yeah.
or if you are a bathroom singer, भी चलेगा.
Bathroom singers are invited for sure.
Bathroom singers are invited for sure.
Yeah. But they will not get selected, but entries are welcome. वो हम decide करेंगे वो bathroom singer है कि living room singer है या फिर concert singer है.
Concert singer है.
So yeah.
But how did you start?
I didn't start as a bathroom singer. I was
always a concert singer.
not really.
Don't
I
lie
was like a decent singer. So I took classical training as a kid.
Okay.
जिससे भागता था, but my father used to force me, बैठ सा करो सा. So रियाज किया, and in fact I've started taking music more seriously after Vicky Donor. Yeah, so since the time I started doing concerts and gigs, I started taking more seriously. But I always believed I'm more of an actor than a singer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But Panidar Rang, it just
Happened in college.
It happened in college.
Yeah.
For whom?
यार देखो इंस्पिरेशन जरूरी नहीं होती.
ये क्या बात हुई? तो बोलना पड़ेगा.
ऐसा जरूरी है कि अरे है ही नहीं कोई इंस्पिरेशन तो. And my wife is still worried कि मेरे लिए गाना अभी तक क्यों नहीं बनाया है. So yeah, but you don't have to. Yeah, वो तो कहीं से भी थॉट आ सकता है ना.
हाँ.
Yeah, like I write poetry on heartbreaks, but मेरे कभी heartbreak हुआ ही नहीं लाइफ में, तो फिर कहाँ से इंस्पिरेशन लूँ मैं?
Really?
Yeah.
But you write really well when it comes to poetry. Have you read any of his poetries?
No, I've just heard his music a lot.
Oh, just because now he's Facebook.
Yeah.
Obviously Facebook में नहीं share करेगा, Twitter पे share
नहीं
करेगा.
करता हूँ Facebook पे भी, ऐसा नहीं है. Of course we share it on Facebook as well, guys. Yeah.
So it's like, नहीं वो Twitter पे share करेगा, मैं बोल नहीं सकता. पीछे देखो jam session.
यार हर जगह शेयर करना है.
तुम ट्विटर का नाम मत लो यहाँ पे.
ठीक है, हम एडिट
और फेसबुक पे शेयर करते हैं.
हम एडिट कर देंगे बाद में.
देखा फिर.
Thank you so much.
So is this like a reality show? No.
यार रियलिटी शो का ना नाम बहुत वो हुआ है. Like you.
Everybody is doing one.
There are a lot of reality shows, but it is different. Like I said, कि हमेशा focus.
So this is not going to be scripted, but
Not at
reality
all.
shows are not real. They're always scripted.
Not at all. आप लिविंग रूम में बैठ के अपने बेडरूम में बैठ के कोई अच्छा वीडियो रिकॉर्ड कर सकते हो और भेज सकते हो. इट्स दैट सिंपल. ओनली टैलेंट विल शाइन. नो बैक स्टोरी, किसी का क्या है लाइफ, घर में गरीबी है नहीं है, उससे कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. सिर्फ टैलेंट काउंट करेगा आपका. हाँ, simple as that.
But this is another thing. That we were looking for a space like this where you are only talking about talents. There are no ad breaks, and somebody just comes and says, "I can sing. My do re mi's are right, or my sare ga ma pa's are all right." And इसके end पे किसी को film bill मिलेगा, ऐसा तो कुछ नहीं है.
देखिए कोलैबोरेट करेंगे आयुष्मान के साथ. उसके बाद वो कहाँ जर्नी जाती है, आई थिंक वील हैव टू सी. आई थिंक द शॉर्ट ऑफ इट इज दैट social media and Facebook just democratizes this whole thing, right? 30 years back, you just simply didn't have this opportunity. You had to get lucky, you had to be in the right place at the right time, or you had to know someone. Here you have a chance to really get through to him and put out your music or your talent in as simple a way as he described it. Go to the page, join the group and upload, right? And I think that's really the power of this whole thing, that you can bring your authentic self to this whole thing. And it's not about who you are, where you came from, it's about what you can do and what your voice is, what your art is. I think that's really the beauty of this whole thing. And this is how, I think Ayushmann says, and I can't agree more with him, social media is the present, it's not just the future. And the fact is that with Facebook, and the beauty of this whole thing is groups. Because groups are ultimately about passions. And, group is a product that brings passions together. You could start a group for anything.
Yeah.
His passion is music, and which is why this group is centered around this. But tomorrow you could have a passion around something else. So I think that's really what got us excited. And I think that's why it's a great meeting ground.
Are you going to be meeting these people, or is it going to be like only digitally?
I'll be meeting the winners eventually.
Only?
Yeah.
How many of them?
3.
Oh,
yeah.
more, yeah.
Maybe more, yeah.
Yeah, maybe more.
Okay.
Like a composer, lyricist, or maybe composer and lyricist, the same guy. कभी कभी ऐसा भी होता है. Singer and a musical instrument. Yeah.
I mean, I remember, Rochak and you are great friends. I mean, from college? School.
Yeah.
That's even further.
Yeah.
And you've done some great work together. I mean, when you guys were growing up, at any point did you think, यार ऐसा कुछ हमारे लिए भी होता तो?
यार उस टाइम पे we never thought about, there was no reality show that time.
Yeah.
Talking about the 90s, there was no reality show.
Yeah.
There was one Saregama-pa.
Yeah.
I should not say that, but there was one.
Well, we edit.
There was one Saregama-pa. There was Indian Idol started in 2000s maybe.
Yeah.
So तब कुछ भी नहीं था. And that was the only way. And we had a band. There was nothing for the musicians. अभी भी नहीं है musicians के लिए तो. पर हमने सोचा था कि हमारा band है. We'll do concerts and everything. There was like a dream. And there was this great aspiration to be a concert singer or have a concert of our own. और तब ऐसा था. And we composed a lot of songs together. Mostly he's the main composer. He's the composer. I was a singer. तो ऐसा होता था. But I'm glad this opportunity is coming like right now for people who are talented, and there's no dearth of talent in our country. We go to college fests and there's one brilliant singer in every class of a school or a college.
Absolutely.
So there's no dearth of talent.
Yeah.
We just have to tap that. That's it.
Yeah. Okay. It got really serious. It's got really serious. We're going to do some quiz now.
Quiz.
Actually, ज़्यादा नहीं, एक ही सवाल है.
एक ही
One
सवाल.
question only.
Okay.
And it is also related to shameless plug again, Facebook.
Okay.
So which song in Bollywood
Yeah.
has both face and book in it?
किताबें बहुत सी पढ़ी होंगी तुमने, मगर कोई चेहरा भी तुमने
ये
पढ़ा.
रिसर्च जो है ना, ये रिसर्च, ये दूसरों का इंटरव्यू देख के ना कभी रिसर्च नहीं करना चाहिए.
तो ऐसा है कि मैं बॉलीवुड बफ हूँ. मतलब आप ये सवाल मुझसे नहीं, और रेडियो जॉकी भी रह चुका हूँ, तो गाने गुने तो मतलब कम ऑन मिस्टर थापा.
Yeah. And I was like, यार ये सवाल जो है ना,
इसका
this
answer
question
दे ही नहीं सकता यार.
नहीं, दे नहीं सकता नहीं होता. I thought you were gonna sing it. That's a twist.
It is, but
Come on.
song यार.
चलो ठीक है, I'll get you out of that situation.
हाँ.
And as I speak to him, some of my last few questions, a lady on the right has slowly creeped upon us, who is now going out of the frame once again because she was here to stop this interview, but she isn't. So, we're coming to the last question. We're coming to the last question of this interview.
Yeah.
Which is not a question really. It is, since it is about music, और ना मेरा एक पुराना गिटार था, इस पे मैं नए स्ट्रिंग्स लगाए हैं 550 रुपए दे के. So I would, it'd be really nice.
Blue.
And it is blue, but we will not sing the blues on it.
Yeah.
What we will do, and we can try and do, is do something extemporary with it.
Okay.
Like a song maybe on jam sessions and Facebook.
I only know open chords, by the way.
That's fine. I don't know any chords.
Don't lie. That's your guitar.
I know 3 chords, like A, D and E.
अभी अभी प्यारा सा चेहरा दिखा है, जाने क्या कहूँ उस पे क्या लिखा है. गहरा समंदर दिल डूबा जिसमें, घायल हुआ मैं इस पल से इसमें. नैना दा क्या कसूर वे कसूर वे कसूर, नैना दा क्या कसूर वे कसूर वे कसूर, नैना दा क्या कसूर वे कसूर वे कसूर, ए दिल तो बता दे।
Wow, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for those words. That song, Best of Luck, for Jam Sessions on Facebook. If you're not a bathroom singer, but a little more than it, you can make it big on this show. Or so Ayushmann Khurrana says.
Also, like singer, composer, lyricist, musician, anything.
Join the group.
Join the group.
Join the group.
Jam sessions.
Jam sessions.
अभी अभी प्यारा सा चेहरा दिखा है, जाने क्या कहूँ उस पे क्या लिखा है। गहरा समंदर दिल डूबा जिसमें, घायल हुआ मैं इस पल से इसमें। नैना दा क्या कसूर वे कसूर वे कसूर, नैना दा क्या कसूर वे कसूर वे कसूर, नैना दा क्या कसूर वे कसूर वे कसूर, ए दिल तो बता दे।
Wow, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for those words.